Welcome to episode 1034. Guo Fu, co-founder of Miniso, 10 lessons. This is an outline of episode 1034, lesson 1 to 5. This is lesson 6 to 10. Lesson 1, little education. This is for someone without a high school diploma. He left Hubei and ended up in Guangdong as a migrant worker. Now, where does he learn his business from? 2, his big mouth and combative.
所以我们在做一个精细化的管理，就是通过商业模式的创新，来把好的东西卖得很便宜。在中国一下子火了。恰恰相反，我认为产品的
Lesson 3, the husband and wife team. He got married at age 25. Husband and wife team started the 10 Chinese dollar store, Aiyaya, together in 2004. Aiyaya was a smashing success. Lesson 4, constant innovation. The example was when he was at the Aiyaya store. He was selling cosmetics at a very brisk pace. He would help his customer with makeups, and sales skyrocketed. Lesson 5, bucking the trend of e-commerce. Past 20 years, e-commerce has been killing the malls. Yet he built more than 4,000 brick-and-mortar stores. And I think he holds the world record of opening up new brick-and-mortar stores. Lesson 6, his success is combining Japanese design and Chinese manufacturing. Japanese design and Chinese manufacturing. This is a picture of the famous Japanese designer Miyate, who co-founded Miniso with Yi in Tokyo in 2013. Lesson 7, the 3 lows.
供应商接受不了的，我们总结了叫3低3高，其中3低，低成本、低毛利，带来低价格。这两个必须要同时发生化学作用。你讲的3低。
Lesson 8, the 3 highs.
还有一个3高，就是第高品质。我调整了多少设计师？你要获得外贸老外的订单，每个外贸必须要养一帮设计师。小件的，就生活用品和小件的，无印良品的服装我不做，但无印良品的这个围巾啊、这个帽子啊，很多小件的生活用品，我可以借鉴。
Lesson 9, the sword of retail is to have control over quality and control over price.
剑至死不能离手。那么零售行业这一把剑是什么剑？零售行业这一把剑一定是对品质把控，对价格有把控。就我品质可以做得很好，我价格可以卖得很低，也可以卖得很贵。
Lesson 10, what is quality?
我认为产品的品质由什么决定的？由它的直接生产成本决定的。跟价格没有关系。价格由什么决定的？产品的价格不是产品的成本决定的，而是由这个企业的效率和这个品牌的定位决定的。
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave your questions and comments below. Wishing everyone peace and prosperity.